survey we want to share is to share how PhillyTalent fits into the process. We're about 100 people who've been using PhillyTalent, and this is going to help anybody who is looking to land a job in data science as a recent graduate. So the question that we asked was as follows: in what ways does PhillyTalent help you land a job offer? And this was the order of the outcome that was discussed. So we saw to be preferred, to be picked, improved my coding skills. Most people wanted a platform that they can work with as an engineer, just simply to get more practice on the coding. Second application was to improve their competency on the skill sets and core CS fundamentals. Work with HackerRank. We leverage HackerRank. There's over 10 other platforms that you can practice coding with your mentor on different ways, like Code Wars or few others that we use. We explicitly use HackerRank because it's still very common with hiring managers to evaluate the code, and does interesting assessments, multiple way of assessments for some type of tests. And we see that a lot of the candidates have seen value in that. Third one is to score well on coding assessment just because they practiced it. Again, like this is a stage you have to go through at one point or another. You have to take a test, you have to do a coding session, whether it is a whiteboard session or if it's actual hands-on coding, you still have to do that. So a lot of the candidates saw value in that. And the 10-week portfolio class is basically helps you to convert some projects you have done and put it into a presentable format and share it with your network, and leverage existing technologies in data science, good practices in it. So the takeout from this survey would be the most important thing that you as a candidate need to work on is just your coding skills, whether that's just portfolio that you can use in discussing your experience, or CS fundamentals that you want to talk about and pass interview requirements. It comes down to coding skills, and coding skills improves by just some coding. All right, that's about it.